today we're going to teach you guys how to do a tornado kick.
All right, so the first thing we're going to work on is our fakie roundhouse. So you're going to lift up the leg you're not going to kick with, jump off of the foot on the ground, and roundhouse. So all of your jump comes from the one foot that stays on the ground. Kind of like the cartwheel and aerial we were talking about in our last video, only this one is for the fakie roundhouse. So you lift the leg you're not going to kick with, push through your knee and your toe, roundhouse, put it down. So we want you guys to warm that up first because that is one of the biggest parts of a tornado kick.
Then, the other thing you're going to need to learn how to do is how to jump and spin in a circle and spot with your head. So if I'm here, I'm going to jump up, turn my head, I'm going to spot something back in front of me and look at it as I come around. So again, I'm here, I jump up, spin, look, and
we
spot.
shook the building.
You felt that earthquake.
Alrighty, so now that you have your full turn and your fakie roundhouse, we're going to put those together to get the tornado. So all a tornado is a spinning fakie roundhouse. You don't even have to do a full jump turn in your tornado, but it helps to practice that anyways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start facing forward. I'm going to pick my target on the wall. It's not Ma'am Nalani, I promise. Anyways, I'm going to look forward. I'm going to turn towards my back leg, pivoting both feet. Now my new front leg is going to become the fakie leg. I'm going to hop in a circle and finish my fakie roundhouse. So if I do that again, I start, I find my target on the wall, I pivot both my feet and shift my hips to face the opposite direction, pick up my new front leg as my fakie leg, hop in a circle. When I see the spot I targeted before, I jump, fakie roundhouse. So that's the way we build up into a normal tornado, which Ma'am Nalani is going to explain right now.
Now for your normal tornado, you're just going to have one spin, one jump, and one kick. So if I'm here, I spin once, I jump once, and I kick once. So instead of stopping halfway through, I spin all the way around, jump up, and do my fakie roundhouse. That's your normal tornado kick.
Alright, now once you have your normal tornado kick, you want to start introducing it into combos. So the first combo we're going to do is roundhouse tornado kick. So we're going to do it the way we're going to do our tornado kicks the way Ma'am Nalani just showed us, where it's just one spin, one jump, and one kick. So you're going to your roundhouse leg is in the back. You're going to throw a roundhouse. You're going to shift towards your side that you're not going to kick with. You're going to turn that direction, lift that knee up, then you do your jump, roundhouse. It's a lot easier if you go faster than we just did it. So you're going to go roundhouse, pivot your feet, lift that knee, tornado. Okay? One more time, a little faster, is going to be roundhouse, tornado. All right, the next combo, Ma'am Nalani,
is going to be a roundhouse, hook kick, tornado kick. So if I'm here, I'm going to keep traveling in the same direction that I was going. I start with my tornado kicking leg in the front, and I go roundhouse, put it down. Look over my shoulder, hook kick, put it down. Now I'm facing forward, and I go straight into my tornado kick. So again, I start. It's so much easier if you have a line to follow. So I'm going to choose this line. So Ryan's going to choose that back line. And we're going to go follow that same line all the way down. We're going to go roundhouse, down, hook, tornado, and land on the opposite side.
alrighty. Then the next combo we're going to do is round, tornado, hook. So we're going to mix and match things all the way around. So I'm going to roundhouse. I'm going to put my roundhouse leg in the back. So I'm going to roundhouse. Then same thing as before, finish my tornado. Then with my non-tornado leg, I'm going to hook across the same direction. So I'm doing round, tornado, hook. So I go roundhouse with my back leg, tornado. Now the leg that didn't just do the other two kicks is going to finish with the hook. Don't worry, I didn't kick Ma'am Nalani. She kicked me back. So full speed is going to be round, tornado, hook.
I keep doing round, hook, tornado.
We're going to do it one more time for Ma'am Nalani. Round, tornado, hook. All right. Ma'am Nalani is going to explain the next combo.
Now your next combo is
tornado, hook, cartwheel.
You're gonna do your tornado into your hook kick into a cartwheel now. So I'm gonna start with my tornado kicking leg in the front. I'm gonna do my tornado kick. I'm gonna put my foot down, and look, I'm facing the back wall now. Now I'm gonna take my other leg that didn't kick, and I'm gonna do a hook kick, put it down. Now I'm facing forward. Put my arms up, look at the ground, cartwheel. Just like that. So, we go back, start again, tornado kicking leg in the front. Now you're gonna do it full speed. So here, tornado, hook, cartwheel. The most important thing to do is to spot around on your tornado kick and your hook kick so you don't get dizzy as you go into your cartwheel.
One of the most important things with all of our kicks and all of the tumbling is spotting. That's how you prevent yourself from getting dizzy, like Ma'am Nalani said, and it also keeps you going where you want to go. Because if I don't spot, my kicks will be all over the place and then nobody's going to know who I'm fighting. If you spot, it helps you get accurate and it makes you look better and it keeps you from getting dizzy.
And that's how you do a tornado kick.
Exactly. We'll see you guys later.